वेलकम टू डेली मार्केट मंत्रा विद एसएमसी, जहां हम मार्केट अपडेट्स, टेक्निकल अपडेट्स और बाकी सेक्टर स्पेसिफिक अपडेट्स डिस्कस करेंगे टू हेल्प यू गेट एन एज इन योर इन्वेस्टमेंट जर्नी. So let's begin with the global market updates for today. The market is expected to open lower today amid weak global market cues. Asian stocks were a sea of red on Thursday, and bonds slid on bets global interest rates would stay higher for longer as investors look to key inflation readings at the end of the week for further clues on the future path of monetary policy. US stocks fell on Wednesday amid further gains in Treasury yields and concern over the timing and scale of possible interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserve. Oil prices eased about 1% on Wednesday on worries over weak US gasoline demand and economic data that could cause the US Federal Reserve to keep interest rates higher for longer. As per provisional figures, the foreign institutional investors, the FIIs, or the foreign portfolio investors, the FPIs, sold shares worth net 5841.84 crore and domestic institutional investors bought shares worth net 5233.79 crore on 29th May 2024. गिफ्ट निफ्टी 0.30% के लॉस के साथ ट्रेड कर रहा है, इंडिकेटिंग अ नेगेटिव स्टार्ट. सेंसेक्स वाज डाउन बाय 0.89% and closed at 74502. बैंक निफ्टी closed at 48501 with a loss of 1.30%. Nifty closed at 22704 with a loss of 0.80%. Nifty future also closed at 22743 with a loss of 0.90%. US markets को देखते हैं. Dow Jones was down by 1.06% and Nasdaq Composite was down by 0.58%. Sector specific updates देखें तो pharma and FMCG are the sectors which are likely to outperform, and साथ ही underperform करने वाले sectors रहेंगे energy and bank. Let's talk about the macro news now. S&P Global Ratings raised its outlook on India's credit rating as continued policy stability, deepening economic reforms and high infrastructure investment would help to sustain long-term growth prospects. The rating agency lifted its rating outlook to positive from stable and maintained the sovereign rating at BBB negative, which is the lowest investment grade. तो ये थे आज के अपडेट्स फ्रॉम एसएमसी ग्लोबल. ऑल द सोर्सेज हैव बीन लिंक्ड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. मिलते हैं कल फिर कुछ न्यू अपडेट्स के साथ. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू एसएमसी ग्लोबल्स यूट्यूब चैनल फॉर मोर सच अपडेट्स. थैंक यू.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.